it is time to do some shipping once again. Couple of soft things, couple of not so soft things. I will tell you what it sold for, and you can watch me ship it. Let's go. Let's start with the rug. Now, I have sold several of these so far, and they're all bringing really good prices, and I don't know why that's got a little brown mark on it. That's really bugging me. It's just part of it. But these sell for between $25 and $30. The brand is Jelly Bean. I got these at a local auction. So your local auctions can be a good resource, especially when nothing else is open, which is when I picked these up. So this is going to go in the poly bag, which makes it super easy to ship, even though it's large. And more. Now I have these square poly bags right now, and I don't want to fold this double. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to fold this over, and then I'm going to put it in another poly bag, which I usually double these anyway because they're super thin. I bought these off of Amazon, and I was trying to go cheap, and I'll tell you what, you get what you pay for sometimes, so just keep that in mind. All right, so now we are double bagged, and I'm going to fold this over like so. And I'm actually not really using the tape. Well, I guess I can. I don't even know if you guys can see me. You can't. I'm really off camera, but I'm going to kind of use the self-adhesive that they give, but not exactly. Okay, just so you can see. So I can't count on that completely to keep it closed. I do have to use my tape too. And this is when I don't worry about this tape. This tape will stick to these poly envelopes really good. And I'm just going to put one more little piece on the end. Show you when I'm done, what it looks like. Kaboom. That's all I did. And that's ready to go. Okay, and then while I'm at it, I'm going to do these pillows. Oh, I didn't tell you what that sold for. That sold for $26 on an offer. So now I have, these are a brand called Sunbrella, which is a very, very high-end brand of, of outdoor pillows. These are clean with no smells. I had them listed at $59.99. I'm looking at my notes. Yes, I had them listed at $59.99. Unfortunately, I listed them in the fall when this sort of thing was no longer a hot commodity, and they got put into my 50% off sale because of the amount of time they'd been listed, and boom, sold for $29.99, which I'm still okay with. This is why in my thrifting videos you always see me going through the pillows, because pillows can bring really good money. Now, hopefully these all are going to play nice and fit in one bag. This is the biggest bag that I have, but we'll see. They're kind of sticking to one another and not playing nice. Okay, am I going to be able to fit one more in here? Squishing it down. Maybe. The trick is not to rip the bag. think I can do this. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Without breaking everything else on the table, that will be the trick. There we go. I think I can. Come on now. Come on now. Get in there. Okay, tell me in the comments, if you're willing to be honest, do you talk to your merchandise when you're packing it? Who else is like me and talks to their merchandise while they're packing it and asks it to play nice? I would love to know if I'm the only weirdo. Come on, we weirdos have to unite. Makes life fun, right? Okay. Had to pull that over, and I'm going to try now to put this in another bag because I just don't feel great about that. Let's see if we can get this now squished into another bag, which you would think would not be very difficult at all. Kind of like putting a pillowcase on a pillow. So we do that. Yeah, but see, I ripped it. That's okay. We got tape. I got it on there. That's the important thing. And I got to stretch it a little bit to make it close with its tape. But I'm still going to use my tape. Oh, no. Okay. We're just having all kinds of issues today. Okay. Get down there. Let me tape it down now. Tape, tape, tape. Tape is a beautiful thing. All right. Double bag. On their way. Okay. I actually am on to the stuff I know much better. So this is a piece of carnival glass. This is a pattern called Water Lily and Cattails, which is dumb of me because it's right there. Water Lily and Cattails by a company called Northwood. There's the bottom. This sold for $22.49 on an offer to watcher. I did the percentage. I've started working a little more with the percentages instead of just giving a blanket amount, just kind of testing the waters on that. And I did 20% off and boom, sold. All right, so we need our bubble wrap. I actually think I want to put another layer of bubble wrap on this because I don't like any chances for antique glass to break. So yes, I'm going to just bubble this up. Makes the customer happy too. There's nothing worse than finding out a piece of 100-year-old glass got broken in shipping. I mean, nothing worse for me. I'm sure there's worse things, but me and glass, we got a thing. All right, so, and I am waiting on a shipment of my smaller boxes to come in. So in the meantime, I have to do a little overkill. Makes the customers happy. And it doesn't affect the shipping too much. In this case, I don't know if this would have gone first class. It's board. I mean, it's still, we might be right there on the edge of it being 1 pound. Okay, so I got my nice layer of bubbles. I'm going to lay it in there, kind of squishing it down in there, and I'm going to fill it back up. Okay, now I got to squish my peanuts down. Trying to find where the eBay branding is on this. I'm going to squish down those lids and tape it up. And I'm going to go the other way. my tape will cooperate. Oh, this tape. I cannot wait to be done with this tape. I don't want to waste it. I want to use it up. But I'm really looking forward to a better batch of tape. I think I have one more roll of this left. And then it's gone. Yeah, I think we still might be in the first class range. I'll know when I get in the house and I get it weighed. Okay, done. Almost done. Okay, next, you might remember these from one of the Monday Live hauls. These are a set of restaurant ware plates. They are by a company called TEPCO. There's the mark on the back. And what's interesting is even the little brand around the edge spells out TEPCO, T-E-P-C-O, along with the Western motif. So I started these on auction at $19.99, and they sold for $30. I had a little bidding war going. It's really fun when that happens, and eBay is the only site where you're ever going to get an auction bidding war. These are really cool, though, for somebody who collects restaurant ware. This is a nice addition. Kind of a rare item. Okay, and now we are going to put those into, let's see, what size are you going to fit into best? You know what? I think I'm going to use that same size box because it gives me lots of room to protect these. There's our box. I'm just going to test it. Of course, they're not going to go in flat. Let me see how I feel about that. Yep, I have enough room because this is bubble wrap from here to here. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing there with my fingers. But there's about an inch on each side and some. So I'll be able to put peanuts top, bottom, and sides. I'm still debating. Yeah, I feel pretty good about that. No, you know what I'm going to do? Take it back. I do this sometimes. It's a woman's prerogative to change her mind, right? I just don't want anything to even chance of going wrong with these. They are going to go priority mail, absolutely 100%. There's no doubt in my mind. So I am going to give them more room in this box. First layer. See how nicely those sit in there now? I just feel much better about that. Then, oops, need a few more. Right. There you go. I feel good about that. I feel good. Actually, I put a little too many. I knew that I would. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. All right. And then we tape her up. And you know what's funny is this tape sticks better to these priority mail boxes than it does to those brown boxes I have been using. Wonder where that is. And I'm going to go crossways one time, hold it all together. Boom. Shipping is done. That was kind of loud, wasn't it? There you can see I'm out in my nice toasty. Oh, it's only 94 out here right now. Almost cold. Not really. But it's okay. I love it. And with that, go be profitable and make it fun. And we will see you on the next one. All right. Bye.